welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this blonde wig. Y'all know I'm really good for the little short install videos. So if you want to see how I got this look, where I got the hair from, all the deets and details will be in the video. So go ahead and keep watching. Hey y'all, just some deets and details on this hair. This wig was sent to me by an Amazon company. It is 30 inches, but it definitely gave 28, of course, it being from Amazon. But I'm 5 foot, so it gave 32. Girl math. The hair was soft, it didn't shed, and for the most part, it did what it's supposed to do. But I do love this company, so if you see me with this hair company, just know I'm happy. Any extra deets and details on the hair, the link for the hair will be in the description box below, so you can go down there and go ahead and check that out. But if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you come back for more install videos.